To give you a virtual guest perspective of the Royalton Splash Resort, we have for you a complete inside tour. We'll take you through all of its features, amenities, and offerings as well as our honest opinion at the end. First, let's talk about the location. The neighborhood is very pedestrian friendly with almost no crime. Plus, you can walk up to the gorgeous and sandy Arena Gorda Beach, which ranks as one of the top 10 sites for tourists in Punta Cana. Attractions in the vicinity like the Punta Blanca, Cana Bay Golf Club, and Palma Real Shopping Village are all within driving distance. If your plane lands at Punta Cana International Airport, you'll be just under 20 kilometers away from this resort. Convenient, right? One review on Booking.com reads, "I love the location and all the space around the hotel to walk and all of the activities." Now let's come to the resort, starting with its rooms and suites. Guests are welcome to check in to any of the luxurious rooms that come fully equipped with exclusive dream beds, Royalton signature rain showers, a coffee machine, vanity mirrors, and a flat-screen smart TV. If you're planning to upscale the experience with an in-suite jacuzzi soaker tub, you'll want to pre-book one of the luxury jacuzzi suites. With a private balcony giving a picture-perfect view of the lush gardens and a spa-like bathroom, it becomes the perfect retreat for couples and small families. Becoming a Diamond Club member for the resort means you'll be offered room features like a personal butler service, upgraded robes, and access to an exclusive beach area with a dedicated bar and waiter service. Is it worth it? According to Natalie B's review on TripAdvisor, the Diamond Club upgrade was 100% worth it. Now, you might be wondering whether the all-inclusive deal is worth it or not. In case you are, let's have a look at the restaurants and bars. At the 8 different world-class restaurants, there is a vast selection of fresh, local, and international cuisines. Selections offer breakfast, lunch, and dinner. They also have a special kids buffet area. If you're planning to get some a la carte choices, Under the Sea is a delight for all ages. Since you're in the Caribbean, another popular choice is the Mexicana Cantina, which serves mouth-watering flavors of Mexican cuisine. If you're looking for a more grand and elegant dining choice, then we recommend going to the Jade for some delicious Asian cuisines. We also recommend the restaurant CX Culinary Experience, where a personal chef is appointed to take you through the 7 exquisite courses with cocktail pairings. Amongst all of them, we've read amazing reviews about the Italian restaurant Grazie Trattoria. The treatment from the staff at the Grazie Trattoria restaurant was flawless, especially at night, says Manuel from the Dominican Republic. There are 8 bars ready to serve your favorite drinks, 2 of which are available exclusively to Diamond Club members. The lobby bar makes the best drinks, says Camela from USA, so we'll start there. The lobby bar is a perfect place for conversations, and its elegant decor makes it a perfect place to visit on arrival or before you travel home. For a night of entertainment and feasts, the social bar is the perfect place to kickstart an exciting evening. If you want a more open-air experience, the Bellini bar is perfect for a nightcap. Don't forget to enjoy the 2 majestic swimming pools, the Splash Pool Bar and the Bubbles Pool Bar, that serve the best pina coladas and other fresh juices. Or, if you're having a blast at the beach, settle into the Sand Beachfront Bar. Getting a Diamond Club membership gets you access to the Diamond Club Beach Bar and the Diamond Club Lounge, which serves handmade cocktails of your choice. The Splash in Splash Resort can only mean one thing: the on-site water park, which according to Darian from the US was absolutely amazing. With crystal clear pools, an assortment of tubes and slides, and a wave pool, this place guarantees fun for all ages. If you enjoy water slides, then the resort's monster water slides won't fail to provide you ultimate fun. Raise the daring level by going on the roller coaster water slide, which is a must visit. For the kids, there's a mini slide water park built for family fun. If you're bringing the kids along, be sure to send them over to the Kids Club, where there's hours of entertainment planned. In the summer, there is a seaside summer camp led by the hotel's mascot Turbo the Turtle, who takes the kids through fun games and interactive activities. There's also a clubhouse for children ages 4 to 12, a hangout teens club for ages 13 to 17, and more. There's even an escape room, which is enjoyed by guests above 6 years of age, and it could take hours to complete. While the kids are busy, the adults who want a quieter experience can take a refreshing dip in the 2 on-site swimming pools. They are, as Jennifer from the US says, perfectly kept and a place to spend a lot of time in. There's also a wellness center featuring a stunning royal spa, which offers facials, body treatments, and massages to rejuvenate the spirit. We can say that the Royalton Splash Resort is a great choice for couples who want the best of both worlds, relaxation and fun. Rooms start at $150 per night, up to $500 for the Jacuzzi in-suite 2-bedroom unit. However, we're more keen to hear your views about the Royalton Splash Resort in the comments down below. If you're planning a visit, tell us what you're most excited for. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.